I'm very much looking forward to the ICS 2026, and we'll be developing an already traditional workshop on sacral neuromodulation, which has become a key element in the treatment of patients with complex urinary tract dysfunctions. Along with a well-known expert team, we'll develop some lectures not only about the ideal lead placement and the patient selection, but also with a focus on the hands-on. So we'll have the dummies, which allows the attendants to literally learn how to proceed with the implants, with guidance with a panel of experts with a large experience of sacral neuromodulation. So that I'm very much enthusiastic about the idea of sharing this knowledge with you in Maastricht, and I cannot wait to see all the ICS members there.